Hey friend, Brandon here from This Is Tech Today. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is here, and here are 6 things you should know about it. The hardware on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is mostly the same, with minor changes that you would overlook unless you were holding them side by side. It's slightly shorter and thinner, but also slightly wider, and it manages to be 14 grams lighter. There are these flat sides that feel really great and an improved armor aluminum frame that is 10% stronger and has a fantastic matte finish. What do you think about this design continuing? Let me know in the comments. Samsung also emphasized their durability and their support. They emphasize that you are able to get one free screen protector replacement and a one-time discounted screen repair comparable to the price of its normal phones. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 screen has a very nice improvement of a max brightness of 2600 nits, up from 1750 from the prior generation. I do love me a bright screen, just burn my retinas. The resolution differs slightly from the preceding generation in that it accounts for slight dimension changes, but nothing major. You can still use the S Pen on the inner screen, which I know many of you appreciate. The outer screen is 1mm bigger, and the inside screen is 2.7mm bigger. So they're trying to squeeze everything they can out of it. But what are your thoughts on the screens? Is there anything that you wish they had done differently, or are you happy with these changes? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That allows it to have some notable improvements despite having the same 4400 mAh battery and a brighter screen. Moving around the phone is extremely fast and zippy, and that is representative of the performance increase of the GPU by 25%, the CPU by 14%, and the NPU by 41%, and that's really great for AI tasks. Additionally, you'll get 3 additional hours of video playback, so it's pretty crazy how a processor can really impact all of that. Galaxy AI is built into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and is a big emphasis for them. The combination of the Snapdragon chip in there and 12GB of RAM really help power all of it. You're able to summarize a ton of different things, whether it's in your notes or in the browser. You have instant translation on any screen or over a phone call. You have circle to search, recording and notation, general photos and sketching, and more. How do you feel about AI features like this, and would you use any of them? Let me know in the comments. The camera on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 consists of a 12-megapixel ultra-wide with a new sensor, a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto camera. There's also a 10-megapixel cover camera for the external screen and a 4-megapixel under-display camera for the inner screen. There's also a Pro Vision engine that should improve the processing of the photos, but we'll see what that looks like in my review. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes in 3 colors: navy, pink, and silver shadow. I'm a big fan of the navy. It looks really great, and the matte finish is huge. Samsung exclusive colors are a textured crafted black and white. You'll want to check out the website for those. As for price, it is $1,899.99 and comes in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of storage configurations, and is available for order now and shipping on July 24th. Affiliate links are located down below in the description, and it's always appreciated when you use those because it helps support free content like this for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, don't forget to check out my video on the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the Galaxy Ring, or the new Samsung Galaxy Watches. This video is not sponsored by Samsung, but they did provide travel and accommodations to New York for remote viewing of Samsung Unpacked and hands-on with their new devices. Samsung does not have editorial control or approval for this video, which is supported by viewers like you. Thanks for watching This Is Tech Today. Until next time.